gotta see the way you shine. So take your hand, my dear, and place them both in